Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about detox enemas for weight loss. Detox enemas for weight loss have gained popularity in recent years. Moreover, it is crucial to consider the potential risks and safety concerns associated with this practice. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. This video aims to present a balanced view, examining the potential drawbacks and cautioning against relying solely on detox enemas for weight loss. Understanding detoxification and enemas. Detoxification is an innate process by which the body eliminates waste and toxins through organs like the liver, kidneys, and skin. The concept of enemas involves introducing fluids into the colon to stimulate bowel movements and remove waste. However, the body's natural detoxification mechanisms are highly efficient, and there is little evidence to suggest that enemas significantly enhance this process. The rationale behind detox enemas for weight loss. Proponents of detox enemas argue that by removing toxins and waste from the colon, metabolic function and fat burning can be optimized, leading to weight loss. However, this rationale overlooks the fact that weight loss primarily occurs through a caloric deficit, when energy expenditure exceeds caloric intake. Detox enemas do not directly impact calorie consumption or expenditure, making it unlikely that they can lead to sustainable weight loss on their own. Potential benefits of detox enemas. Advocates claim that detox enemas offer various benefits, including improved digestion, increased energy levels, reduced bloating, and enhanced overall well-being. While some individuals may subjectively experience these benefits, the scientific evidence supporting such claims is limited. Furthermore, any perceived benefits may be attributed to the temporary relief of constipation or psychological factors rather than direct detoxification effects. Risks and safety concerns. Detox enemas carry inherent risks and safety concerns that individuals need to be aware of. There is a potential for electrolyte imbalances, which can have serious consequences for overall health. Bowel perforation, although rare, is a severe risk associated with enemas. Additionally, regular reliance on enemas for bowel movements can disrupt the natural functioning of the digestive system, potentially leading to dependency and long-term complications. Effectiveness of detox enemas for weight loss. Scientific studies specifically examining the effectiveness of detox enemas for weight loss are scarce. The existing evidence is anecdotal at best and lacks rigorous scientific methodologies. Weight loss achieved through detox enemas is likely to be temporary and related to water and fecal matter elimination rather than significant fat loss. Sustainable weight loss is best achieved through a comprehensive approach that includes healthy eating habits, regular exercise, and lifestyle modifications. Integrating detox enemas into a healthy lifestyle. While detox enemas may not be an effective standalone weight loss strategy, some individuals may choose to incorporate them as part of a broader health and wellness routine. However, it is essential to remember that enemas should not replace evidence-based practices such as a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and stress management. These lifestyle factors play a more significant role in long-term weight management and overall well-being. Important considerations. While detox enemas have gained popularity as a potential weight loss method, it is crucial to approach this practice with caution and a critical mindset. The limited scientific evidence and potential risks associated with detox enemas highlight the need for a comprehensive approach to weight loss and overall health. Relying solely on detox enemas for weight loss is unlikely to yield sustainable weight loss results and may pose risks to your health. It is important to prioritize evidence-based practices, such as adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and making sustainable lifestyle changes. It is worth noting that weight loss is a complex process influenced by numerous factors, including genetics, metabolism, hormonal balance, and overall lifestyle. While detox enemas may offer temporary relief from constipation or bloating, they should not be considered a quick fix for achieving significant and sustainable weight loss. Instead, focus on making long-term lifestyle changes that promote overall health and well-being. Incorporate a balanced and nutrient-rich diet, consisting of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Engage in regular physical activity that you enjoy, whether it's walking, cycling, swimming, or participating in group fitness classes. Prioritize stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to support overall well-being. Remember that weight loss is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and a holistic approach. It is essential to consult with healthcare professionals, including registered dietitians, nutritionists, or physicians, who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific needs and goals. Conclusion. Therefore, while detox enemas may have gained popularity as a potential weight loss method, the scientific evidence supporting their effectiveness is limited. The risks and safety concerns associated with detox enemas should not be overlooked, and individuals should approach this practice with caution. Sustainable weight loss and overall health are best achieved through a comprehensive approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and healthy lifestyle habits. Focus on long-term, evidence-based strategies rather than relying solely on detox enemas for weight loss. Always prioritize your health and consult with healthcare professionals before making any significant changes to your weight loss routine. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.